What's up, Winter and Sparrow friends? It's your girl Kim here. I'm back with a new video. So, as we approach June, which means summer's right around the corner, I figured it was time to get rid of my Easter decor that I had out on my buffet table. And since I didn't want to spend a lot of money to switch out my decor, where should I turn but the Dollar Tree? So, in today's video, I'm going to show you all of the lemony goodness that I found at the Dollar Tree and how I turned it into beautiful farmhouse decor. All you're going to need is a few supplies from the craft store, probably items you already have on hand, and all of these awesome items I found at the Dollar Tree. I probably spent a total of about $10. And every time I look at it on my buffet table, it just makes me smile. It's so bright and cheery. I just love it. And I hope you love this video. So let's see what I made and let's get started. Cheers, y'all. Summer's coming. Oh boy, that means fall's around the corner. Yes.
I picked up this Dollar Tree basket. They have them in black and white, and I decided to get a black one because I knew that I was going to give it a farmhouse look by taking some acrylic paint and just kind of dry brushing it on the outside. In other words, I'm trying to make it look less cheap and more farmhouse style. So you can use chalk paint or acrylic paint. You can paint it more white than what I'm doing, but I just wanted to give it some dimension. And you can do that on the outside and then you can sand it, or you can paint it and leave it as is. It's up to you. But this way it doesn't look like it came from the Dollar Tree. It's our little secret. I'll be using this to put some flowers in later, and you will see that. Hello, Bandit. Bandit says hello. Next, I'm going to add some yellow to my display. So I picked up these boxes of lemon heads at the Dollar Tree, and I have 2 mason jars, only one shown, but I'm going to pour my lemon heads in, and these are going to make a nice, bright, colorful display on my tiered trays, and you'll see that later also. Now, I took an old tea towel from Walmart and I ripped it into 6 pieces. And why I did that is because I'm going to make an insert for the basket that we just painted. And you can see it kind of looks like a ruffle. Well, it's very easy to make a ruffle. Take a needle and thread, and right down the center of your strip, you're just going to make a very loose running stitch or a basting stitch, just over or up and down, up and down. As you do that, you're going to push the fabric down towards the bottom, and it's going to make those ruffles. Now, I don't have a sewing machine anymore, so I could have just sewn up something nice and fancy to go into my basket, but this is a nice option for those of us that don't sew or just want to do something quick. So you can find like a 5-pack of tea towels at Walmart for like $3.88, I think. But this one had seen better days, so I just made 6 cuts in it, and then I just tore the fabric and sewed each strip together to form a complete circle. And this will be going inside the basket. Not only will it fancy it up a bit, but it's also going to help hold those flowers that we'll be using later on. And if you don't want to use tea towel or you don't want to spend any money, look for old pillowcases. Any old thin type of white fabric will work for this. Old pillowcase, sheets. And you just sew each piece together and it will eventually form a circle. And this is going to be lining the basket. This will also help hold those flowers up, and you'll see it later in the video. It looks really pretty. Also from the Dollar Tree, I picked up this Sweet Farm sign and this tea towel with a recipe for lemonade on it, and I'm going to use that in my display also. Now you can see I have already put my ruffles into my basket, and I'm going to take these, I think they're 4 or 5 stems of yellow dahlias that I found at Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut the stems down to size, and I'm basically just going to set them inside with the ruffle in there. I don't need to add anything else. It holds the dahlias perfectly. Don't need any additional foam or anything. And this is how I ended up styling my tray. You can see the farm sign and the yellow lemon heads in the background. I added some beads and a little bird's nest I had laying around, a roll of twine. You know, you can do farmhouse with stuff that you have lying around the house. And you can see how my basket has a bit of dimension there with the white paint. Those faux lemons were a Dollar Tree purchase from last year, and the cloche I got off Amazon, which I will link to. And the spools are left over from rope that I purchased at Michael's, and the fern print was free off the internet, and my farmhouse decor turned out bright and cheery. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Till next time.